Welcome to Diane's Money Tips, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Diane Bertolin of Unimore Capital Corporation, the #1 mortgage choice for homebuyers. Now, here's your money tip.
Okay, today we're going to talk about how to throw the perfect backyard party when the weather allows. Having the party in the backyard will simplify house cleaning and menu planning. Here are 10 simple steps to the perfect backyard party. Step 1. Get RSVPs. Set the date 1 month in advance and start inviting guests with RSVPs. Step 2. Get seating. If you need extra seating, now's the time to order outdoor furniture. Step 3. Test the barbecue. Clean and maintain the grill. Buy extra fuel. Test it a few times. Make sure it works. Step 4. Get supplies. Make sure you have all the supplies like foil, outdoor dinnerware, platters, ice, sunscreen, lanterns, etc. Step 5. Make a menu. Decide on the menu a couple weeks in advance and create a shopping list. Step 6. Plan the fun. Plan games and activities and/or a music playlist. Step 7. Plan the potluck. If it's a potluck, organize contributions from those who've RSVP'd. Step 8. Get bevies and stuff. Buy beverages, condiments, and other non-perishables. Step 9. Confirm the count. A week in advance, get a final head count. Step 10. Clean up. Clean the 2 important areas of your house, guest bathroom and kitchen, and make room in the fridge. The day before, buy all the fresh fruits, veggies, cheeses, meats, and seafood. Make a few dishes in advance. Chill cold beverages. On party day, set out all the dishes, cutlery, napkins, etc. Make sure the grill has all the tongs, platters, and brushes it needs. Set up a garbage can and recycling bin, as well as trays for dirty dishes. Follow these simple steps and you're set. Welcome your guests and enjoy all the food and fun. For more information on how we can sponsor your event and supply your party with cool, free, fun stuff so you can take it to the next level of awesome, call us today.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Diane's Money Tips. If you have any questions or comments, please call Diane today at 519-967-1422.